Torrential slide cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. We here by and large will give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for torrential slide AVAX. The torrential slide certainly has in no time commonly acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers most certainly are interested, and looking through the inquiries like is torrential slide AVAX a wise interest in an unobtrusive way? Is AVAX really worth purchasing in 2023? What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030, which essentially is genuinely critical? How pretty high can torrential slide go? Our aid will for the most part provide you with a thought of the torrential slide expected development and its cost expectation, all from kind of profound specialized examination to essential by and large past cost graphs. Torrential slide genuinely past value examination as per the most recent market information. Today the cost of torrential slide AVAX truly is $11.24, and AVAX truly is at present generally positioned number 19 in the whole crypto market. The dissemination supply of AVAX basically is 344,970,384 with a market cap of 3,878,256,353 in especially most recent 24 hours, or so they thought. In every way that really matters, recent hours, the crypto basically has been somewhere near 0.34% in its ongoing cost esteem amazingly. Assuming we explicitly think about the 24-hour market cap of the torrential slide with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap truly is additionally in descending pattern. Torrential slide generally is as yet confronting an essentially difficult time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins in the market in a genuinely enormous way. The AVAX is down to nearly 4.63% in the absolute most recent 7 days. The coin generally is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for commonly past genuinely couple of days. The coin could sort of have serious areas of strength, for really at the same time, we don't sort of figure that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the by and large most recent 30 days, the cost of AVAX explicitly has been somewhere around CHNAGE%, killing an incredible normal cost of $10 from its really current cost, or so they especially thought. This unexpected kind of descending development truly implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time, and it can be an excellent purchase and open door for in every practical sense fast interest incredibly. The 90 days cost change is near 43.65%, and the cost especially flowed from a genuinely least certainly normal worth of $18.57 to sort of greatest by and large normal worth of $20.43 in the beyond 90 days. Torrential slide really is somewhere near 32.88%. With the truly greatest typical cost of the coin was around $18.20, and the especially least truly normal cost of especially was around $16.55 in beyond 4 months in a very large way. Torrential slide value conjecture for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030, we by and large foresee future AVAX cost expectations torrential slide figures by applying essentially profound in every way that really matters, fake learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of torrential slide in a significant manner. We explicitly do our actually awesome to gather commonly most extreme authentic information for the AVAX coin, which incorporate kind of different variables like past value, market cap, volume and considerably more. In the event that you certainly are looking to really put resources into digital currency market, make a point to peruse our expectations, which generally is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge. In 2023, the cost of torrential slide is supposed to essentially reach at least value level of $10.79. Or so they thought. The AVAX cost can explicitly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $12.14, with the by and large normal exchanging cost of $11.80, in an extremely huge manner. Torrential slide value expectation for 2024, according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024, The cost of torrential slide in every practical sense is truly anticipated to especially reach at any rate worth of $17.41. In an unobtrusive manner, the AVAX cost can by and large arrive at a most extreme degree of $20.15, with the typical exchanging cost of $18. Torrential slide value conjecture 2025-2026. The cost of torrential slide is in a real sense anticipated to explicitly reach at an extremely least degree of $26.04 in 2025. The torrential slide cost can in a real sense arrive at a greatest degree of $30.59, with the sort of typical cost of $26.94 all through 2025 in an unpretentious manner. The cost of torrential slide is essentially anticipated to explicitly reach at a very least degree of $38.06 in 2026, which is genuinely huge. The torrential slide cost can sort of arrive at a genuinely greatest degree of $46.48. With the typical cost of $39.14 all through 2026. AVAX value expectation for 2027 torrential slide cost is gauged to especially arrive at an in a real sense, the most minimal degree of $54.91 in 2027, which is genuinely huge. According to our discoveries, the AVAX cost could basically arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of $65.36. With the exceptionally normal gauge cost of $56.87, in an unpretentious manner. AVAX value expectation for 2028, as per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of AVAX, in 2028, the cost of torrential slide is estimated to, in a real sense, be at around a base worth of $78.98. The torrential slide value worth can generally arrive at a very limit of $96.10. With the fundamentally normal exchanging worth of $81.82 in United States dollars, which essentially is genuinely huge. Torrential slide value expectation for 2029. The cost of one torrential slide, AVAX, generally is supposed to really reach at the very least degree of $111.39 in 2029. In a by and large significant manner, the AVAX cost can arrive at an in every way that really matters greatest degree of $139.47, with the truly normal cost of $115.48 all through 2029. Torrential slide value expectation figure for 2030, according to the gauge and especially profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of torrential slide explicitly is supposed to especially reach at a by and large least value worth of $158.79. In a genuinely significant manner, the AVAX cost can truly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $195.95, with the sort of typical worth of $164.56 in an unobtrusive manner. Torrential slide, AVAX value